Hi guys, my name is Paul Gillette. I'm a sales consultant here at Smail Kia, and today I want to take you for a test drive in the 2019 Kia Sportage LX. Alrighty guys, the 2019 Sportage. We have this nice blacked out grille, beautiful headlights, very unique design. All Sportages come standard with the fog lights. We have 17-inch alloy wheels. Coming around the back here, we have this neat tail light design here that flows through the whole back of the car. Rear window wipers. Alrighty, now that we've seen the outside of the vehicle, let's take it on the road. Alrighty guys, first things first, let's see what its pickup speed is. Actually, I'm very impressed with the power that this thing has. So this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. The setup of this all-wheel drive system is it is always front-wheel drive until it detects slippage in the front wheels, and then it will distribute power to the back wheels to compensate. It takes bumps very well. The steering wheel is very, very firm. It feels stable on the road. So guys, on the steering wheel, we just have the Bluetooth controls. We have our volume up, volume down. I have a little thing in the infotainment cluster here which shows me what I'm averaging right now. And over here guys, this specific vehicle has the popular pack, so it has this beautiful display touch screen. So with the popular package as well, this does have the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay feature. If we have a device that is compatible with the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto, we could connect it to the infotainment center right here, and then we could go through navigation, we could go through messages, texting, anything like that. And as well with the popular package, you get the dual climate controls. If the passenger wants their temperature at 75 degrees and you want yours at 70, this does have the heated seats with the popular package. There are 3 different levels of the heated seatings, 3 lighted up being the most, 1 lighted up being the lowest. And for you guys who like to charge their devices going down the road, this has 2 12-volt plug-ins. And then for all of you guys that like to listen to music, there is an aux cable and a USB port. And this vehicle does have a 5-star overall crash rating, which is the highest that you can get on a vehicle. And the Kia Sportage is backed by an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 60,000 bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. 2 things about this vehicle that are my favorite. I couldn't just have one. The overall driving experience, it's incredible. It's very, very firm on the road. One of my favorite things about this vehicle is the connectivity that I can get. If I want to, I have an Apple device. If I want to hook up my phone to this, I can very well do that. I can put navigation on there. I can view my texts, my calls, anything like that right here on that touchscreen. Why come to Smail Auto Group? Well, we have 10 different franchises and 2 pre-owned centers. The chances are you're going to come here and find a vehicle that you like. Alright guys, I want to show you guys the backup camera and how easy it is to back up into a spot now. So this does have the projection backup. So as I turn the wheel left, it starts to straighten out. If I turn it back to the right, it shows me a projected of where I'm going to be backing up into. And just like that, very easy. Alrighty guys, that concludes our test drive for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Come visit us off of Route 30 here in Greensburg at Smail Kia, or visit us online at smailkia.com.